How to make thousands of dollars a month by making these types of videos. Let's see an example of this video. When we enter ChatGPT, the first step is to write a prompt. For this, I ask ChatGPT to create one. I specifically request a prompt that includes a bear and something like garb, which you might want to define for clarity, together in a scene. In the next line, I add a clear instruction, asking ChatGPT to just write the prompt and not generate the picture. After I press enter, I wait for a few moments while ChatGPT works on generating the text prompt. Once the prompt is complete, I right-click on it, select the copy option, and proceed to the next step. The next phase involves feeding this prompt into a separate artificial intelligence system to create the image. For this, I use a website called Ideogram. But before continuing, I should mention that I've created a separate video where I introduce 7 of the best free AI tools for generating images, and I provided the link to that video in the description below. Feel free to check it out later. Back to the image creation process. After entering the Ideogram website, I right-click on the text box, choose the Paste option, and paste the copied prompt into it. It's important at this point to make sure the image is generated in the correct dimensions. For mobile-friendly images, I recommend using the 9:16 aspect ratio. You can select this by simply clicking on 9:16 to adjust the image size accordingly. Finally, once everything is set, click on Generate to begin the process of creating the image. The AI will now process the prompt, and within a few moments, your custom image will be ready for use. After creating the photo and selecting the desired image, I proceed by clicking on the 3 dots icon located above or next to the Image Options menu. From the drop-down menu, I select the Download option. At this point, I'm asked to select a file format, so I click on the free JPEG to specify the image type, which then starts the download process. To continue the process, we now return to ChatGPT, and this time we are going to create a creative request that combines the features of a bear and a scorpion into a single image. After ChatGPT creates the request, after writing the prompt, I copy it with right-click and enter it into Ideogram and paste it again with right-click. Now I click Generate to create the image. After the image is ready, I click on the 3 dots located above or next to the image interface. From the options that appear, I select Download, then select JPEG format. After clicking JPEG, the download is complete. Go to Google search page. I type hailuoai for my search. After displaying the results, I decide to click on the second link listed. It redirects me to a website with the address hailuoai.video. After entering the site, I am immediately asked to sign in using my Gmail account. I go through the process and continue without any problems because the site automatically logs me in. Now that I'm inside the platform, my next task is to upload the photo we created using Ideogram. This step is necessary because the platform needs the image for processing. Of course you can't see the photo, but my experience says that it is better to show the photo. Now I click on the photo icon and select the photo and finally continue. Now you have to convert the photos to video one by one. The music you hear in this YouTube video is actually a popular song that is often used in videos like this. If you are looking to download it, the process is very simple. First, I have put a link in the description. Click it, then you have to copy the video link. This can be done easily from the part 1 show here. Once you get the link, open a new tab and search Google for YouTube MP3 Downloader. You'll likely see several options, but it's usually best to go with the first site that comes up in the results. Once you've accessed the site, you'll see a space where you can paste the video link. This is where you'll paste the link you just copied. After pasting the link, look for a button that says something like Convert. Clicking this button will start the process of converting YouTube video to MP3 format. Once the conversion is complete, the site will give you an option to download the file. Just hit the download button and the music will be saved to your device in a few moments. It's a quick and easy way to get music from YouTube videos. Now that we have finished making the video, it is time to move on to the video editing process. For this, I prefer to use CapCut because it is user-friendly and offers various tools for a smooth editing experience. To start, the first step is to import the video I made with the music we downloaded into CapCut. After importing, you need to arrange the clips in the desired order by dragging and dropping them one by one on the timeline. At this point, you can start editing the video. Watch each clip carefully and identify any parts that do not add value or may detract from the overall quality of the video. For example, if there are mistakes or unwanted content, simply select and delete those sections. The goal is to remove anything that doesn't meet your standards, to ensure the end result is professional. Now, we need to add the music to the timeline and sync it with the video to ensure that the visuals are perfectly in sync with the rhythm and flow of the music. Once the music is in place, we can move on to animating the photos. You can apply any type of animation from the animation section that suits the style or needs of your project. Once the animations are selected, we add the photos and videos to the timeline one by one, making sure each element is precisely timed and adjusted to follow the beat or rhythm of the music. In this way, both images and sound create a harmonious and attractive experience for viewers. Now, in order for you to better understand how I coordinate the rhythm of the song with the video, I will stop talking and let's go to edit. To support me, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I suggest you watch this video.